The Dugard Lunan GH 1440A manual gap bed lathe has a height of centres of 178mm or 7 inches and turning length of 1 metre or 40 inches. The swing in the gap is 510mm or 20 inches by 150mm or 5.9 inches. The spindle speeds have 16 steps and ranges from 45 to 1800 RPM with 38mm or 1.5 inch spindle bore and a spindle fitting D14 cam lock. The tailstock has 3 Morse taper quill and travel 115mm or 4.53 inches. Feed box has comprehensive English and metric threading capability. The main motor is 2.2 kilowatts. We offer as standard 2 axes DRO, 160mm 3-jaw chuck, 200mm 4-jaw chuck, quick change tool post and holders, travelling steady, 3-point fixed steady, 300mm faceplate, coolant, lighting, bedstop and footbrake. The GH 1440A weighs 880 kilograms and is perfect for small components, educational, training and schools. For more information on the Dugard Lunan GH 1440A manual gap bed lathe, please go to our website www.dugard.com.